And what I need from you, let me share my screen first. So what I'm trying to get from you is that, you tell me your name, your grade, which school you do, and why do you like robotic or programming? And do you have any prior experience? So that's the things I wanted you to tell me in the class. Okay. So can you hear me?
Yeah.
Very good. All right. So Ethan, you are already one of the members. Do you want to go first and do the
Yeah.
introduction?
So, of course, you probably know my name. It's Ethan. Okay. Well, and I'm in fourth grade, and I go to Seven Locks Elementary School.
Okay. And more. So let me just share my screen again. I want more. Tell me why.
Why I like why I like robot is because like you get to do like hardware and software and work and then like make sure you do the enough power of stuff. Like we actually Jingwei yesterday. If you don't know Jingwei, he's my friend. This we had we made an innovation project.
Yeah, you have very good programming experience already. That's
And
great.
also we did we have a few slides with and it's a Team Draco. And first we did we we did ask questions about things, and then you have to and then like I had to write like what things were each things.
Yeah, you are doing a great job there because I saw your
And also, Jingwei
programming.
actually posted a video about the innovation project.
Yeah, and
It's pretty good. Actually, it's not that long.
you can prepare it in the end of the class, okay? And I can ask you to show it. All right. So next one is Austin. So can you do an introduction, Austin? All right. Okay. So then Arvin. Arvin, do an introduction of yourself.
Alvin. My name is Alvin Lee. I'm in second grade. I go to Fairmont Schools.
Mhm. Why do you
Why
like
I
robot?
like robots? I like robots because it's like cool when they like may move and like it's like it's like their coding is pretty cool.
Yes, I like it very much. And we have a bigger club here, and the big brothers and sisters, and some as young as you are, they like it very much. So once the pandemic is over, probably you can come to the club and play the robot. That's good. So Austin, do you want to do your introduction? Go ahead.
Um, I I am my name is Austin and I am in kindergarten and the thing I like robots. I don't know.
Okay. Then I will show you. Okay. We will see how the robot works. All right, so next one is Elia.
Ellie, can you give an introduction about yourself? Ellie?
Can you unmute yourself and then do the introduction? Can you hear me, Elia?
Ellie will come back to you, yeah. Because someone else. Okay.
So then Grace.
My name is Grace Chen, and I'm in fifth grade. I go to Wayside Elementary School, and the thing I like about robots is that unlike us, we have like our language, which is like English. We have like different languages, but like coding is like it can be separated into like different parts. So that's basically a robot's language.
Good, good. Yes, that's very good. Okay, Hagen.
Hi, Dr. Yang. You know me, and I want to learn robotic programming.
That's good. So Hagen, actually you are in my Java class as well, and you do have classmates. They are in the club. They use Java to develop robotic applications. And the one I just showed, is your classmate, and it's Raja. He's in develop the code the application for that robot, and he's going to the competition next week. That's a very good welcome, Hagen, and I like your work very much. So next one, Landon.
My name is Landon. I'm in 3rd grade. My school is Vandermolen. I like robots because it's cool how they can move and do other stuff.
Good. Yes, you can control it. You can see how it moves. You can make it move the way you want it to move. That's very good, Landon. Next one, Massing. Massing, do you want to do an introduction of yourself?
Mason, please unmute yourself. Yeah. Go ahead. What's your name?
All right, so let's move on.
He's a little shy.
That's okay. All right, no problem. Once you get to know everyone, that will be better. That's all right. So,
Grace.
no, I think Grace did it. So, Nicholas.
My name is Nicholas. I am in 3rd grade. I go to West Park Elementary, and it's my first time working with robots.
Good, very good. I think, Alia, if you wanted to go forward, then you can take the chance. If not, then we are going to move on. Okay. All right. So then let's move on then. So first thing, I'm not sure if you are the first time to use in Zoom or not. So if you already know how to use Zoom, that's great. I will ask you to share your screen to me because I need to check your work. So you need to learn how to do that. Let me share my screen to you. Okay, so the first thing I want you to watch is this one. Okay, let me just go there. So let's learn some robot.
I can't watch YouTube because I'm using a school Chromebook.
And he get a friends to help him. All right, that's one video I want you to watch. Okay, that's one robot. And let's get to the next one. It will become more and more sophisticated, okay? This one from MIT. The previous one's from Boston Dynamics. They're all very famous robotic companies and labs, okay? So I hope in the future, if you like it, you can go to those places.
Yeah.
You see, that's a mistake, right?
Oh, there.
So how can you improve it?
Go.
How can you improve it? All right. Okay. This is one. Now let's watch the last one. So you will see it is really great to learn robotics.
Are we allowed to watch?
So this one is in the real world use. So this is also robotics. This is in Amazon. Amazon warehouse.
Get it toward the front.
This is a robot push the stack of stuff.
Coach Young, are we gonna watch this? Is there a time that we can watch this on our own?
You know, when you grow up, you will see more and more robots in our everyday life. Everything is automatic. Human is just doing very small parts of the job. Okay, so we watched our 3 videos, and that's really great. And you see, robotics are very important in our life, and it does a lot of work. And you know, in the future, you will see more and more. So then, how do we do that in the future? So let me just show you this one. This is for FLL. So if you do it for FTC in the future, so just like what they are doing in the room next to me right now. So they are doing the different competition. So this is an FLL competition. So if you learn this, you go to the competition. I know that Ethan, you it's a different one. Let's do this.
Okay, I see about the water robots out.
You program a robot.
SRS Robo Builders immediately switched out the gold pipe and replaced it out with the yellow in with the blue using the color coordinating system.
I love that one.
Keep it up! Breathe, breathe, all right. You got this.
Holy Cavaliers quickly switching out their attachments.
Frederica!
Right, chapter 1 choose the whole here. But let me stop sharing. So Asing, can you turn on your camera and stand high?
My camera is on.
To show your face to the class and tell about your
I am
experience.
showing my face. I have my
Okay.
camera on.
Tell about your experience in FLL because you are doing it right now. All right. Give you 2
Okay.
minutes. Give you 2 minutes. What do you want to say?
Oh, I didn't want to say anything.
All right. Okay. So the next time will you feel you are interested, then you can.
And also, I've been actually setting programs.
Yeah. So you are already starting doing that. So let's just move on and let me share my screen again. Okay. So everyone, probably you needed to get your parent help. So let me give you this URL and you needed to go to this website. So let me give you that.
Can you put the link in the chat?
Yes, I'm going to put it in the chat window and you may need to get your parent help, okay? So let me put this in the chat window. Everyone needs to go to this website. We are doing all our work in this website, okay? So get this URL and then launch Chrome. So this is what you are going to say. So once you get into this website, this is what you are going to say. So I want every one of you now go to this website. All right. Once you are on the website, you see this is moving, right? You see this pen is moving. You click this arrow or click that arrow. So what you need to find is EV3. That's the system we are using in our FLL, okay? So
Okay, Coach Young, but my I'm there, but I can't. I'm trying. Oh, never mind. Yep. Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! Oh no! I have to click the link again. I'm on the page, so I need to.
okay, if you are on this website, you see that this is moving, and then you can wait here as well. If you do not want to wait, you just click the arrow, okay? Click the arrow and choose your robot system. For our FLL, it's an EV3 system. So click on
Okay, I'm trying to find. Do we click on it?
Just click on EV3, and then when you see those choices, click this one, okay? 10.0.1.1. Click on it. And then you have on the website.
Oh, which one was it again? The first one?
The top left one. Okay.
The top left. Okay, gotcha.
All right. So once you're on this website and you are having this interface now, I want you to do this and you get your mom's help. Click on this human head icon. So avatar. Click on it. And then if you do not have an account, then you need to get your mom's help and create an account. Okay, make sure your username is case sensitive, password is sensitive, case sensitive as well. And then you need to get your parent help because I think if you are not 18 years old, you need a parent. Yes, Bob.
Coach Young, do you mean like or is it allowed to be like my school account?
No, your school account will not have here. Okay, come here to you. If you do not have an account, you need to create one. Okay.
Wait, like, is it like a school? The school?
No, you need to create an account, not a school account. Okay. Because I already have an account. I have the account AOE admin. Then I just log in. Okay, I just log in. So everyone should do that now. And you need to remember, you need to write down your account because the username is case sensitive. Password is also case sensitive. So go ahead and create your account. Get your parents' help, okay?
Coach Young, do we create one or just like use my mom's account or use somebody else's account?
If you have an account, you have other people's account, and you know it, you can go ahead and use it. That's fine.
Okay, I'll give you the password. Okay.
Yeah, could you show this website again?
All right. So this is the website. And the account, the URL, let me give the address to you again. The URL. No rush, okay? Today we're just trying to get to this website and get the account set up. So you have that, and then you just log it, you just create an account here by clicking on this icon.
I'm sorry, I have a question. So is this that we have to create an account for to log in, or they have already been
You have to create an account, then you can log in. Why you need an account? When you do the work, you really do not need an account. But if I ask you to submit homework, and if you want to, collaborate, so let me show you. If you have an account, then you see I can go to my programs. Then I have all the students work before, the previous students work. So like those, let me just show one to you. So this is done by another student. So let me run it. And let me run this one. Let me just run it. So you need to store your application, right? So then you have to have an account. Then you can save it. And then I will tell you how do you submit your homework to me. All right. So let me just stop this.
Okay, so we need to log in and create an account right now?
Yes, do it now.
Okay, thank you.
I am done.
Good. If you have your account created, that's great.
Wait,
So
no,
then
I can actually create my own account. Like, can it be, so for the username, does it have to be numbers or letters?
you have to be letters.
Okay.
I have a question.
Yes.
What do we do when we're all logged in?
And that's the next step. I will teach you how to do things, okay? So far, let's just get the account set up.
Wait, can I use my mom's account?
Yes, go ahead. If your mom give you the permission, then just go ahead and use it. And so that's what we need. We need an account first.
Sensors, logic, math, text code.
If you create an account, you need to go to your email inbox and to activate it, to confirm it. Yeah.
Huh?
Go to your email and confirm it. All right. So I hope everyone has an account.
And I have it up already. Stop. It's that other one.
Stop.
Just be mindful. The username and the password both are case sensitive. So you need to go to your email to activate your account. Then you log in using your username and the password.
Coach Young, when I use my mom's account, it says you have entered a wrong username or password. Please try again.
Yeah, that means if your mom has an account, she should give you the right information. If she doesn't have, if she forgot the information,
Do I create my own account from scratch?
go ahead and create your own then.
Now you've activated your account.
Huh?
Now you've activated your account.
I activated my account.
Yeah, activate your account. Then you log in. Because after this class, I'm not going
I
to.
logged in too.
Good. Okay. Once you log in, you see. Let me show you. Okay. Once you log in, now you see here, and you can see my programs, and you can see save.
Coach Young,
save
it doesn't
as.
work. When I create a password, it doesn't work.
You see, you can see my programs. You can see save as.
I can only do is like when I use. Okay, I'm gonna do my.
You create your own account, please.
Okay. I'm trying to create my own account. It doesn't. When I create any account, it doesn't work.
So get your mom's help, okay?
Yeah, I did my my mom's account, but that didn't work.
Yeah, see, get your mom's help to create a new account. All right, so if you have an account, you already log in. So if you click on this button here, click on it, you should be able to see you can you have a My Programs choice here. If you do not log in, you do not have it. It's grayed out. And you are doing some coding, you can save it. And if you load in the program, you can save as a different program. And let me just show you, okay? Once you have a program and you save it and you can give it a name. Let me show you. Watch my screen closely. Watch my screen. So if you have your program, you save it here. Now you wanted to submit your homework. You say, I wanted to show this to my teacher. So you see this in icon here. This icon. It's a share icon. Click on it. Let me just go ahead again. I need to use my own program. Okay, you see here. So this is the application I created and I saved. So if you have this icon, right? Click on it and then share to your friend, share to your parents. And if you think you finish your homework, you want to share it to me, choose my name. This is the AOE admin. Please write this down. I will put this in the chat window as well. It's case sensitive, okay? So you just share to me, then I can get your application. So this is my account. You just share this to my account, then I will have it just like what I have here. I have a lot here, right? The students send me a lot of applications. So let me just just get one of it. So this is one of the applications that the students did. So you see, what does it do? So let me just show you. All right. So you see, you can do a lot of things. And if you have a program like that, and then you see, I wanted to save it, you just come here to save it. Click save. Or you wanted to give it a different name, you then say save as and give it another name. Okay. So once you have a saved program, and then you can share it to me. And that's the way for you to submit your homework. Okay. So you got that. Any questions so far? Any question? Okay, good. So you guys are doing great.
I have a question.
Yes, go ahead.
What if I use any account, it doesn't work.
I said create a new one.
Create a new one?
Yeah, let me show you how to create a new one, okay? So let me just show you. So if you're on this website, right, you click on this human icon, let me just log out. So if you click on it and then you see log in, if you do not have an account, click on new, right?
Oh, okay, new.
Click on new, that gives you all the options for you to create a new account. All right.
Can I use my actual account?
Yeah, you have to remember it, okay? All right, so let me just move on then. Okay. So once you log on, then let's just to learn more about this website. And before we do anything, let's just move on. So with your own account, you can save your code and your work. See the picture, right? So that's what I just mentioned. And also you can load all the application you saved there. And just click on it, and then you can load that application. And then you see the application will look like that. Okay. So if you have that in your mind, and then let's do an overview of this website. Okay. So let me just show you. Watch my screen now. So everything you need to know is here. So you see, we are on level 1. So this level 1 right now is highlighted. If you click on it, you have all those actions, right? And you click on this one, these are the actions. So these are sensors. Click on this one, these are controls. Click on this one, these are logic. Click on this one, this is some math stuff. Okay, this part, this panel is for you to get your tools, what you need. So let me just choose one. Okay, let me just choose one. So I got that one. If you do not know what this one is for, you do not know what it is for, come here, click on this question mark. Look at my screen, click on this question mark. Then you see it tells you, okay? So what does this do? Okay, if you now choose a different one, then you see this automatically goes to that. So click on this question mark, it will give you the help file. So it will help you understand the tools here. All right, so let me check my chat window. Yes, so Grace.
How do you create an actor on this thing?
I will. Can you share your screen to me? I will show you how to do that.
Coach Young, do we create a program?
Yes, I will teach you how to create a program. So Grace, can you share your screen to me? Yes. So you see, click on the action on the left side, right? You see this in the action, click on it. Or you are on level 2 now. Click on the level 1, the number 1. Okay. click on action. You see you have a lot of actions there, right? So
Yeah.
right now you do not need to do anything. I will teach you which one to use. We will learn them step by step, one by one. Okay.
Okay.
All right. Thank you so much, Grace. You can stop sharing. Okay. So you say you can get a help. Okay. This is a help. So click on the question mark. You can get a help. And you see, if you click on that, okay, it will just print your stuff and give you all other information, okay? The legal information, everything, okay? This website is free. It is free. So if you have anything, then you can open and close the program. And this will be the document. Click on it. You can type in something, okay? For you to type in a notes document. And this one will give you the Java code. All right. So you see, in the future, you wanted to do the real thing, you will do it in Java. Like a Hurricane, he already learned Java, and say this is Java. So you can, when you program something, and then you can convert it to Java, then you can use this. And this for robot, EV3 robot. It's not for FTC, okay? It's FL robot. You can use this code in the future, okay? So you can just copy it and then put it into your Java class, and then you can use it. And then if you click on this one, SIM, this is simulate. So let me just drag a little bit more here. So this is for you to run your application. If you develop an application, now you want to run it, and this is the simulate. And I want you to watch my screen carefully now. You see on the simulator, there are several buttons here, right? This is the run button. If you have the application developed, you want to run it, click on it. And then these are the different things. So usually we use usually I just use this thing, okay? This thing is for us to use, okay? For the rest of them, I just want you to know it. So this one, okay, this one will, if your robot already moved, now you want to put it back, just click on this icon. It will put the robot back. We will use it later on. So then I do not want to talk about too much more on it, because once we get into the application, then we will use it. So that time we are going to learn it. So if you want to close the simulate, just click on it again. So it's closed. So can you guys try that? See if it works for you. So make sure everything works for you, okay? All right, if you have any problem, speak up, let me know. Okay, if you do not have problem, let's move on then. Okay, so what we are going to do is that we wanted to change the blocks. So we say this is block programming. So all the commands, all the actions, all the tools are a block. So what do you mean by a block? So let me just show you. Okay. So come to this website, and then let me remove this one. You remove it, just drag it. There's two ways to remove it. Just drag it through it in the left. It removes it, okay? So here, do not throw out this one, okay? You have to have this one because this is the start of your application. Let's just do this. Can you all look at my screen and click on action and then just drag this one? So now you have a block, right? This is a block. And you just chain it to it. Chain to it. And see, this drive your robot at 20 centimeters. Can you change it to 50 centimeters? Do that. And then now if I go to my simulator, I put in my simulator. Now I click on this run. Okay, run. Click on it.
Oh, this is not touch free.
Watch on my screen. You see my robot is moving for 50 centimeters. If I put my robot back, look at my screen. I click on this icon. My robot is back to its original place. Let me run it again. 50 centimeters. And let me stop it. I wanted to see your screen. So, Nicholas, can I see your screen? Does your robot run for 50 centimeters? Oh, you do 100. That's good. Just run it now. So you are control your robot, okay? So if you really have a robot in your home, just ask your parent to read the help file here. And you program this. This actually can control your real robot. You just need to buy the wireless thing, so that the wireless can control your robot. If your robot can receive the command from the wireless. Yes, Grace.
My brother, he has a remote control car. Is that considered as a robot?
No, it must be an EV3 robot. Must be EV3.
Okay.
Yeah. So if you have an EV3, then you can ask your parents to buy a little dongle and put on your computer. And then you can run it. You can control it. All right. So next thing, so let me check Bob. Ethan, why are you changing your name to Bob? So can I see your work? Can you share your
Oh,
screen?
can I share my screen?
Yes, go ahead.
I can't share my. You have to stop sharing.
Okay, Nicholas, can you
It
stop
says
sharing?
you cannot share. You cannot.
Okay, now
never
you can
mind.
share. Go ahead.
I did this, and then
Run it. Oh, you are doing a lot more already. Okay, go ahead and run it.
look, I didn't run it. What?
Okay, you are doing too much. Okay. All right, you are already way ahead of me. Okay, Ethan. All right, so can you change the speed to 100? You see, you have two choices. You have two fields.
Wait.
One is distance. One is speed.
Which one do you want me to change to 100?
The speed. Okay.
The speed for which one?
Okay. You have too many
This
already.
one. This one to 100.
You have too many already. I do not have that many. Okay.
100. 100.
Okay. You see here.
And then
I change it to 100. You see what happens.
Oh, it moves forward.
Okay. Let me just move. Let me just run
Yeah,
it.
it works. It's a 20 degrees. I want the degree to go.
You say it runs much faster, right? It
Yeah.
runs much fast.
I want it to go 90 degrees.
All right. So let me
I want
stop
to be a
sharing.
90-degree angle.
Ethan, be quiet. Can you mute your microphone? So now I wanted to see Arvin, yours. See if you change your speed. Yes. Can you share your screen to me?
Me?
Arvin.
Oh, okay.
Okay, run it. Run your application now. Your speed is too high. You cannot go beyond 100. Okay. So it's the maximum is 100%. 200 is even it does not have effect at all. 100 is the maximum. Okay. All right. You see, you go to 2,000 centimeters. So that's why it hit a wall. It hit a wall. Okay. All right. So can you stop sharing now? Let me check. Landon, does it work for you?
I think so.
Can you share it to me? Share your screen to me.
I don't know how to share.
All right, so get some help. On the bottom, if you move your mouse, on the bottom of your screen, there should be a button, and the green button say share. And then you should be able to click on it and share screen, and then choose your screen and share. Get your help from your parent, okay? So Messing, do you want to share yours to me?
No.
Messing, yes, I really wanted to see your work. I wanted to make sure all the students can do the work. Can you share your screen?
Is it your turn to share?
No, I'm sharing my screen.
Oh. Oh. Share. Okay. Now you go push play. Oh. Is it share?
Yeah, I cannot see it at this moment. You still need to choose the screen to share.
It's not playing for his screen. Push play. I don't know if we know how to share, how to see the screen.
Okay, so that's fine. So figure it out. Okay, next time, so you can share your screen to me so I can check it. The students. I do have in the slides for all the classes, and so you can it shows you how to share the screen. I'm not sure if Miss Hughes sent it to you guys or not. Anyway, so let me just move on because I have another class coming up. So let me just finish this one. All right, so movement. So show two drives, set up speed and distance. So drive backwards. What are the differences? Change speed, negative values, change directions, change distance. All right, so what do I mean? So I want you guys to do this. All right, you say drive forwards. Can you check a drive backwards? So now you say you run it. It's a drive backwards, all right?
Action.
Forwards.
Then forward.
Okay, can you drive forwards, but you make your speed to like a negative 100. Let's do that. Negative 100, see what happens. Let me do that.
Okay.
Just like a driving backwards, right? So if you put a negative value here, so you just driving backwards.
Keep on going.
Can you all do that? So do all those things, okay?
And then speed left, I want it to be 100. 130. Okay.
So if you do that, and then there's another drive I wanted to teach you. So Ethan, can you mute your microphone? There's another drive, okay, this one. So this one, let me put on it. Okay. So this drive. Okay. So if I put like 100, and you see if you click play, what happens? It just move a tiny bit. It just move a tiny bit. Okay. Look at that. But we are going to use this one a lot in the future. Because this one, you have a distance in it. So no matter what happens, once this block is executed, once you choose this block, so it will move that distance. It will move that distance. So it's hard, very hard to control. All right. So okay. So if you have this, you already have this, and then now you say you can say save my work. Save as you can see my first work, my first project. You can save it. Okay, go ahead and save it. And then once you save it, and then you say if I ask you to turn in your homework in classroom, so what do you do? And this is your homework, right? And you can choose it. And then you will come just here to export. So you can export it, and then you can save this as a file on your computer. Then you say homework XML. If I save this one, then I can just attach this file to my classroom. So if you are not in the classroom, I really want you guys to go to the classroom.
How do you save it?
Let me help you, okay? So you go to the classroom, so you should receive this one, okay? This is classroom for you. So this is the classroom code. Let me put this in it. If you can do homework this way as well, you just export it out, and then you just attach it. Just attach it to your classroom, and then you can submit it there. Okay. So let me stop sharing. So can you show your screen to me so I can help you save your project?
Okay.
Okay. Can
How
you
do you,
click on? Can you click
save
on
it?
the top left? This and yeah, click on that one, and then click save as. You see a save as?
Yeah.
Yeah, click on it. Then give it a name, and then you can save it.
I clicked on, oh, here.
Give it a name, and then you can save it. Okay. So that's all we have learned today. So you guys are doing very good. You achieved your goal. You have your environment set up,
Yay!
and you know how to do.
Mine's working now. Look,
Okay.
when I do it,
so
it
if you
goes
do not have
forward.
question, I think we are good. Then the class is dismissed.
Yes, mine's working. I want to save as.
Listen,
How do you save it?
I want to
How do you
have
save
fun
it?
next
Coach
time.
Young, how do you save it?
How do you save it?
Yeah, I forgot how to save it. Can I share my screen?
The left button, left one, the leftmost. Click on
This
it.
one?
Yeah, click on it.
This one?
Yeah, click on it. You have a save. Click on it. You see save as, right?
Save as. Well, it doesn't pop. Nothing pops up.
Click on it again.
It still doesn't work.
Okay, that means you have not logged in. Have you logged in? Do you have an account?
I did log in.
Okay, then it should work for you. Okay.
Oh no.
All right, so the class is over.
I did log in, but
I have another class.
In, but it's not.
I have another class coming up now. So see you guys next week. Hope you enjoy.
Okay, I just need to save this.
And you can ask me question in the classroom as well.
Okay,
right?
Okay. Bye.
Bye, Ethan.
Bye.
Lucy, you have learned this class already. You wanted to do it again? Huh? Okay.